Moshi everyone, welcome back to The Budget Boss. As you see, I've recently come back from my exciting trip to Japan. I learned a lot and have come up with some effective budgeting tips for anyone interested in traveling. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for anyone looking to travel to Japan without breaking the bank: how to budget for your trip. Now, Japan is an incredible destination. There's so much to see and do, but if you're not careful, the costs can add up quickly. The good news is, you don't have to spend a fortune to experience all that Japan has to offer. I'm going to show you some strategies to keep your expenses low without sacrificing the experience. Let's jump right in. One of the first things you'll need to consider when budgeting for a trip to Japan is where to stay. Hotels in Japan can range from budget-friendly to extremely expensive. But if you're looking for an affordable option that still provides comfort and convenience, capsule hotels are a great choice. Capsule hotels are essentially small, efficient sleeping pods designed to maximize space. They offer everything you need for a good night's sleep: comfortable bedding, free Wi-Fi, and shared amenities like bathrooms and lounges, all at a fraction of the price of a regular hotel room. While capsule hotels might sound small, they're actually an excellent choice if you're traveling solo or just need a place to rest after a long day of exploring. You can find capsule hotels for as low as $20 to $50 per night, which is a great deal, especially in cities like Tokyo where hotel rates can skyrocket. It's a perfect solution for those who want to save money without compromising on quality. Another excellent way to save on a trip to Japan is by traveling with a group. And if you're a student or even just looking to team up with a few friends, consider planning your trip with a larger group. Traveling with a group offers several benefits, including discounted accommodations, cheaper transportation, and lower costs for group tours. Take, for example, a college's international field studies trip. Schools often organize group travel to Japan, and the savings can be significant. Bulk booking for flights, hotels, and even transportation, like trains or buses, means you can pay less per person. Plus, you'll have the added benefit of traveling with a group, which can make the experience even more enriching and enjoyable. If you're not part of a school trip, consider organizing a group of friends or fellow travelers. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get to share the experience, which makes it even more memorable. When you're in Japan, you'll want to experience the food, and there's no reason to break your budget doing it. Japan has a variety of affordable food options that still allow you to taste the incredible local flavors. For starters, konbini, which are convenience stores, are an essential stop for budget-conscious travelers. These stores have a wide range of meals, such as onigiri aka rice balls, sandwiches, and bento boxes, that are quick, delicious, and usually priced around $3 to $8. It's a great option if you're on the go and need something filling. Additionally, ramen shops and noodle stands are found all over Japan and offer hearty, satisfying meals for around $5 to $10. Street food is another budget-friendly way to experience Japan's food culture. From takoyaki, which are octopus balls, to okonomiyaki, which is savory pancakes, you can find tasty, affordable options on just about every corner. The key is to explore local, casual spots, instead of always going to expensive restaurants. You can still enjoy authentic food without spending too much. Getting around Japan is easy, thanks to its extensive and efficient public transportation system. The good news is, it doesn't have to be expensive either. If you're traveling between cities, consider purchasing a JR Pass, which can save you a significant amount on Shinkansen aka bullet train rides. The JR Pass gives you unlimited travel on most trains for a set number of days, and depending on your travel plans, it could save you hundreds of dollars. For getting around within the city, look into day passes for subways and buses, or use local transportation apps to track routes and fares. Japan's subway systems are punctual and reliable, making them a great option for exploring without breaking the bank. And don't forget, Japan is one of the most walkable countries out there. Many cities like Kyoto or Tokyo are perfect for walking tours. Not only will you save money on transportation, but you'll also get to see more of the local culture up close. That's a wrap on how to budget for your trip to Japan. With smart choices like capsule hotels, group travel, and affordable food, you can experience everything Japan has to offer without breaking the bank. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Budgeting is about making smarter choices so you can enjoy the experiences that matter most. Thanks for watching, and keep bossing up.